Here I am showing you one image. This is a table which we will try in HTML using table tag. First of all, you count how many rows are there in this table. In this row, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 columns. Remember, students, always you have to count the major part of the rows. Wherever you found the rows, maximum rows, you need to count. Don't count like roll number column or name column. Count in English, math, science. Their maximum rows are there. So count that. So how many we found? Now 5 rows are there. Same way, find out how many columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 rows and 5 columns in this table. So how this can be done, you see. Here, first of all, you see in this table what are the contents are merged or which are the cells have been merged. If you check, you see the roll number is merged, name is merged, and marks also has been merged. Mark has been merged into columns, roll number and name has been merged to rows. Okay, students. So how many rows are merged for roll number and name? Roll number is merged to 2 rows and name also for 2 rows, and marks for how many columns, students? 3 columns. Understanding, na? Below the marks there is English, math, science, so 3 columns are there, so it means it get merged to 3 columns. Okay, let's try now in HTML editor, the one we are using. Okay, this is your basic format. So here I am typing the table tag. So table, okay, giving suppose cell padding, padding, padding. I am not giving color and all, you give, all of you know. Cell padding I am giving suppose say 8 I am giving. Cell spacing I am not providing, later on if required we will give. Okay, so now I am ending the table tag as well because we might forget to end, so better to end it in the beginning only. So table. Okay, students, now what is the first row we saw? First let's write tr, then we will see. So we will write here tr, students. Thereafter what we need to write? Again we need to end the tr, so better you do the ending of the tr as well. Ending of the tr as well. Fine. Sorry, tr. Now in between what you have to do? Now you have to specify the column, that is td or th. So who is there? Roll. So better you write here roll. Write capital, it looks nice. Write roll number, better roll number. So roll number has to be written where, students? It has to be written within th. No? So it has to be written within th. Fine, students. Then you end also th here because it is heading, no? So heading has to be written within th. So same way, just let me copy the entire th for making next heading. I am just copying the heading and pasting here. For what? For what is next? See, name. So make here name. In place of roll number, you next make name. Fine. Or name of student. Name of students. Fine. Anything you wish, just make name. Fine. Thereafter what we supposed to do, students? Marks. So let make marks. Just simply I am doing. Okay. So check now. Is all okay? Okay. But borders are not there. So let make the border here. So border equal to 2. So see. Okay. Fine everything. Now student, what is the thing, different thing we saw in this table? First, you see the roll number get merged. Roll number get merged. Merge can be done for columns as well as for rows. Here, roll number get merged for what? Roll number get merged for what? It get merged for rows or columns? Rows. So because of it get merged for rows. So in TH, what you have to write here, giving a gap in between, inside the TH, you have to write row span. See, row span is a single word, student, and see the spelling very nicely. Row span equal to. So how many rows getting span? How many rows getting merged, students? According to the diagram, there are two rows. So make here 2. Okay. Fine. Now, name of the, see the diagram, name of the student. Name of the student also get merged into column or row? Row, students. So make row span again and make how many rows I get span? 2. You check 2. Understanding, na? 2. So now marks to be done. So mark gets merged into what, students? Column. So you have to write here call span. One word, remember always. All span equal to what you have to do? 3. Because 3, it get divided into 3 or it get merged into 3. Fine. Now you check the output. Is there any difference? Is there any like changes you got in the output? No, you won't get. Why we didn't get? Because until unless you make the next row, you won't get any difference in the output, students. So let's make the next output. So for making next output, what we have to start with? We have to start with TR. Fine, students. Then we have to make here TR. Next row we have to make. So what we have to write here inside TR? What is there? Roll number, nothing, no, nothing I wrote. I am writing just 3 students' name. So roll number, 3 students' details. Means the roll number and all I am giving. Suppose, so what I have to write here, because of this is data, so I have to write TD or not. You check the output, the second row. What are the things, what are the heading given? Headings are given as English, Math and Science. Below roll number nothing is there, below name nothing is there. So what you have to write here, they are heading only, so make TH and make here what? English. Fine, students. Then same way you just make it slash TH. Fine. So same, just I am copying till this we have to copy for making 3 what? Fine, understood, students? So what I have to do here? Math. And the next one, what I have to do? Science. Now after this much you did, then you check the output how it is coming. Or TR we need to do at last. We didn't do. So you make it TR. Because row has to be end, row has to get end, student. Okay, check. Is it perfect? No, still there is mistake. So what the mistake? Where the mistake we did, you please see. We made the marks as 3 and row name we made 2. Row span spelling is mistake, students, here. So SPAN. Okay. So now check. Is it perfect? 100% perfect. Now let add one data, then you will be able to understand. Okay. So I am just pasting. Okay, whatever I copied. So what I have to do here R, and what I have to do here R, and what I have to make here. What is the first data I need to put, students? That is TD. Okay, so right here TD. So what is the first data? Roll number. So roll number, what I have to write? Suppose I wrote 1, 2, 3. Fine. Then you give inside what you have to write. You have to give a slash and you have to write TD. Fine. Then just copy this not entire, sorry, only this much you need to copy. Okay, copy and paste here. Press enter and paste here. Why? Because there are how many column we counted? 5, no? So now name I am giving, suppose Rasmi. Fine. Next I am giving, suppose Dhire. Now just type slowly. Now you give here mark. So same, just paste it. No, not there, sorry. Sorry. Here paste. So give the mark. All TD, na? So you have to make it TD. So just changing the mark. Check. Sorry. Try to paste them in proper place, students. Okay. So the mark is given. And now check. Is everything perfect, students? Yes. Roll number below 1 2 3 is coming, name is coming, English mark and 3 subject also is coming. So now what you can do, for suppose the question is given to make 5 rows. So what you need to do, what I did undo, there I made a mistake. So just copy the entire thing, till this, and what you need to do, students, just paste below and change the data. Suppose I made the roll number like this. In place of Rasmi, I wrote Saroj. Fine. Then I change the data here. Just changing the data. Okay. Now you check. Understood? It's coming perfectly, the merging and all. Hope all of you have understood nicely.